Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Roomba Base is probably one of the most underappreciated accessories for your robot vacuum. It's the unsung hero that keeps your cleaning companion ready to roll. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Roomba charging bases, exploring what makes a great base, and helping you find the perfect match for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base. Tired of constant vacuuming? This robot vacuum has a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. You can set it and forget it for weeks. Compared to the previous model, this vacuum maps your home faster. This allows it to navigate your home more efficiently, cleaning every corner. This model offers improved carpet cleaning performance. It's designed to lift dirt and debris from deep within your carpets, leaving them fresh and clean. The multi-surface brush roll is designed to handle all types of floors. It effectively pulls in dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors. Control the vacuum with your phone or voice. Schedule cleaning sessions or target specific areas using the Shark Clean app or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This vacuum has powerful suction to tackle all kinds of messes. It easily handles large debris, small particles, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. The robot cleans methodically, row by row, ensuring complete coverage. It navigates room to room for a thorough clean of your entire home. What we like. This robot vacuum features a self-emptying base, meaning you can forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. It also has faster mapping and multi-surface cleaning capabilities. If you have a busy lifestyle and hate the hassle of frequent emptying, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Works well with 2 dogs. I have a white lab, so it snows in my house, and this does a great job nightly cleaning. App and options work well, easy to use. The Shark 2-in-1 robot vacuum does a fantastic job cleaning floors. It picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dust with ease, and I love being able to schedule cleanings while I'm out, select single rooms to clean, or choose one spot that needs attention. It's definitely made daily upkeep so much easier, and the suction is impressive for its size. Number 4. SPRYAR Roomba Replacement Charging Dock. Tired of your Roomba not charging? This replacement docking station is the perfect solution. It's designed to replace your original dock and get your vacuum cleaner back to work. This charging base works with a wide range of Roomba models, including the E5, E6, i1, i3, i4, i6, i8, and many more from the 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series. It's a versatile replacement for your iRobot vacuum. The dock comes with a power cord for easy setup. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to charge your Roomba. This makes it convenient to use in different countries as it supports 110-220V. This docking station is a reliable replacement for your original Roomba charger. It's lightweight and easy to install, so you can quickly get your robot vacuum back to its cleaning routine. Whether you have an iRobot 650 or a 980, this charger is designed to work. It's a universal solution for keeping your Roomba charged and ready to clean. What we like. This replacement charging base offers wide compatibility with various Roomba models. It comes with a power cord for easy charging. If you are looking for a reliable and convenient charging solution for your Roomba, this is a great choice, especially if you travel to different countries. What people say. Arrived on time. Worked exactly as specified. Replaced broken charger perfectly. A new charger fixed all the problems. It charged so fast and I was able to use it the same night. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Dock Charger. This is the authentic replacement part for your Roomba. It's designed to keep your robot vacuum charged and ready to clean. This docking station ensures your Roomba always has the power it needs. This charger is compatible with Roomba 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series robots. It's a perfect fit for your existing Roomba model. Make sure it is the right one for your robot. The charger comes with a North American line cord. Simply plug it in and place your Roomba on the dock. It's easy to set up and use. The product is made in China. The dimensions are 6.26 inches long, 5.87 inches wide, and 4.49 inches high. It is a perfect replacement. Keep your Roomba running smoothly with this replacement dock charger. It's a reliable solution to keep the robot vacuum charged. Get yours today and keep it clean. What we like. This is an authentic replacement part for your Roomba, ensuring optimal performance. It is compatible with a wide range of models. If you like to stick with the original parts for your Roomba, this is a great choice. What people say. The charging base is a perfect fit for the Roomba. It works exactly as described and charges the Roomba efficiently. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal. This is the clean base, designed for your Roomba i-Series robot vacuum. It automatically empties the robot's bin, so you don't have to. It's a convenient and hygienic solution for a cleaner home. The clean base takes care of the dirty work. It sucks up the debris from your robot vacuum and stores it away. This means less frequent emptying for you, and more time to enjoy your clean home. The package comes with 2 dirt disposal bags. These bags are designed to trap dust and allergens. They are easy to replace, ensuring a clean and healthy environment. It also features a washable bin with auto-evac. This allows for easy maintenance and ensures the unit is always ready for use. This feature helps keep your home clean. The clean base comes with a power cord, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Simply plug it in and let it do the work. It's a simple and effective way to maintain a spotless home. What we like. This clean base automatically disposes of dirt, making maintenance a breeze. It includes disposal bags and a washable bin. If you are looking for a hands-off cleaning experience and want to minimize direct contact with dirt and debris, this is the perfect addition to your i-Series Roomba. What people say. The charging base is well designed and easy to set up. It charges the Roomba quickly and efficiently. The base has a sleek design that blends well with the home decor. Number 1. iRobot Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal for Roomba S-Series. This is the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, designed specifically for your Roomba S-Series robot vacuum. It automatically empties the robot's bin, so you don't have to. This allows you to enjoy weeks of hands-free cleaning. The package includes the clean base unit itself, a North American line cord, and a 2-pack of automatic dirt disposal bags. Everything you need to get started is right here. With this, you can say goodbye to emptying the dustbin after every cleaning session. It provides a convenient and hygienic way to dispose of dirt and debris. It's a simple solution for a cleaner home. Setting up the clean base is straightforward. Simply connect it to your Roomba S-Series robot vacuum. Then, plug it in, and it's ready to go. It is that easy. The clean base measures 11.49 inches wide, 14.93 inches deep, and 19.02 inches high. It's a compact design that fits seamlessly into your home. What we like. This clean base is designed for the S-Series Roomba, offering automatic dirt disposal. It includes disposal bags. If you like the S-Series Roomba and want to upgrade your cleaning experience with automatic dirt disposal, you should consider this. What people say. The convenience of automatic dirt disposal is a game changer, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying of the dustbin. The vacuum cleans everywhere and goes and dumps itself. Bought a Roomba at auction without a base, and this pairs perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.